Hi, I'm going to show how to make a promotion. Promotion can be made for a single article. It can be made for a group of articles. It can be made as a combo. It can be made as a group promotion triggered when you sell a specific pairs of shoes or a specific amount, and also it can be a loyalty promo. First of all, the promotion is very straightforward, very easy to prepare. Promotion can be made as a proposal first, and then eventually it needs to be approved to be executed. So promotion, if I put a promotion code, very simple. I put a promotion title, and then here is the important part. Here, if you want only one article to be sold to achieve this promotion, you put 1. If you tell the system 2, that means you need to sell at least 2 pairs from this list. If it is 3, at least 3 pairs from this list. So this one is the one that triggers, that tells the system how many cycle of the of transaction needs to be happening based on quantity of the same from the same promotion. So let's say if I put 1, then if I put it from today to tomorrow, remember promotion cannot be backdated. And if I put an article, then the promotion will be executed. Remember, when I select the article, it can be a promotion by percentage. I can put more articles with the same percentage, or it can be a promotion reduced to something. Let's see if I put an article that I want to reduce down to X amount, or it can be reduced by a specific amount. Let's say it is by 100,000. Then the article will be reduced by that amount, and new price will be executed. So in this way, you can do promotion in 3 layers. One is by percentage, one is by amount given, one is to amount, that means the selling price will be the given one. So if I save this one, it will be a promotion that has only one article that needs to be sold from this promotion. So if I save, it will create a proposal, and user needs to go inside this and approve it. Before approving, user also needs to define the promotion is going to be aimed to which store. So if I put it to all stores or one specific store, then it will be executed. But before doing that, they can take an Excel to verify the numbers, because system tells that this promotion is going to change the price from X amount to Y amount, and the losses or difference is going to be this much, and how many pairs are going to be affected, and it creates certain reports, certain visibility is there. I'm not approving it because it's the live server. However, I can show you that we can create the promotion for more than one article also. It can be a list of articles, and type can be more than one, so that the promotion is executed only when you sell at least that number of pairs. Promotion also can be group promo. Group promo, I call it group promo by article, means it is going to affect on the article directly. Group promo by article is a promotion that is going to be executed only when, let me put a name. It can be to a specific category, it can be on all category. So I put it for all category, for example, and I tell that when we sell minimum of 2 pairs, then the promotion automatically is going to be ignited, or and it ends when it is more than within 5 pairs. If it is more than 5 pairs, maybe this promotion will not be executed. Usually we put a bigger number so that the promotion still remains, but sometimes there is like a specific promotion that 2 to 3 pairs or 2 to 4 pairs if I sell, on the same transaction, we'll get this promotion. It can also be like a new promotion can be triggered from next number, let's say from 6 to infinity can be another promotion. So anyway, it can be by quantity or it also can be by amount. Let's say if I sell more than 300,000 dong, so any one of them, you can make this one empty. It will also work based on the minimum sell amount. Can be affected from X date to Y date, which is more than today. And this kind of promotion can be only by percentage, because I'm going to push a specific percent to all the articles that has been sold on that transaction. That means that's why we don't use amount, because amount is can be a total amount, cannot be like individual article based. So let's say if the percentage is 10, then and if I save it, then at the end of the day, whenever we sell the article, I'm showing you here, sell the article, this promotion gets triggered when the minimum amount is achieved. And if the article wise promotion is going to be executed, when we put the article and details, this promotion gets triggered. An article can have multiple promotion. It doesn't need to be stick with only one promotion at a time. So user picks the promotion and the list comes up, and we select the specific promotion that we are going to execute or we are going to give to the customer. Anyway, I go back to promotion again. Remember, each user of this system has different role. So this guy has all the capacity, but a user in the store has only visibility to execute a promotion and visibility to their own transactions. Anyway, the second type of promotion, which advanced promotion, it is the same. It just adds up with two more features, which are combo promotion, which is like combo by percentage or combo by price. Combo by price gives us allows us selling several number of pairs within a specific price. So for example, if I create a new promotion, combo promotion, let's say, I don't know, whatever name I put, here I need to put how many pairs I want to sell to achieve this promotion. Let's say if it is 3 pairs promotion, then all the articles of this list, if I sell at least 3 of them, then this promotion will give us a packet price of 499. The same thing could be done by percentage. The percentage one is a little bit tricky and interesting. Here, the system picks the percentage order from here and then executes based on the price. So for example, if I put 30, 20 and 10 and tell that 3 articles needs to be sold, then whatever articles we add here, the higher price will get 30% discount, middle will get 20% discount, and lower price will get 10% discount. If the prices are the same, still it will give you the same commission. So usually we do it like that, 10, 20, 30. It means we give the lower one with a higher price one with a lower percentage, and higher percentage for a lower price one. The rest of this process is exactly the same, and it also gets triggered when we do the sales operation. And remember, this one has a different process, because the system needs to know which are other two articles we are going to sell in the same promotion. So in that case, when we put the article and click the view, it opens up a pop-up on the screen. Right now it is a live server, so I'm not showing it. Anyway, this part of advanced promotion is not yet executed in any of our transactions, so I'm not going to try it on the live server. So these are the two kind of promotion that is directly hitting an article. This and the group promotion that I showed to you guys, that is also hitting to article, but that is based on the total transaction of that receipt. Apart from that, there is a loyalty promotion which is actually aimed for a different reason. This loyalty promotion gives us a little bit different thing, which is designed in the same way of article group promotion, but it gives us a common lump sum amount based on the total transaction, not hitting on each of the article immediately. It is the process is very similar to group promotion. Here I put the promotion code, promotion name, and I put to which article, which category I want to execute this promotion for. Then I give minimum quantity, maximum quantity, minimum amount, maximum amount, based on which one we want to select. Here, for example, at least 3 pairs needs to be sold to achieve this promotion. I put a higher number because I want anything from 3 to above. The promotion can be executed from 31st to 1st of August, for example. And this one can be both percentage or amount. Remember, this is a lump sum amount, so whatever is the end net amount of the transaction, this loyalty is going to deduct it from there. Usually the loyalty is associated with customer programs, and we are going to add this feature of customer loyalty based on the customer himself or herself who is buying the product on the transaction. So anyway, these are the few kinds of promotion we can do. Remember, our system can allow multiple promotion on the same article at the same time. And how do we review the promotion? How do we see the promotion? Is here. There are quite a few reports. Here I am showing one report where I select the promotion. I want to see the report for all the stores, for example. Here only one store we have, and we can see it for a longer period of time. Let's say from 15 till today. The system will tell us that this is the promotion that was executed at that time, which gives us a sale of 159 pairs, where we have lost an amount of 13 million, but we have achieved quite a big amount of turnover based on this. That's all from promotion. Before ending up, I want to show a few things, Mr. Shiv. One is like we have added new features of the reports, of some reports. For example, the sales information one, you remember it was by store, by cashier, by staff, by category, by payment type, by promotion. It could be checked for all stores, for example, for a specific store from here, or all the stores. This one you already know. We have added other things, like we have changed, added few features in the sales information 2 report. Here usually it was by article. Now article, brand and ticket. Now we have added gender, category and subcategory. If I want to see the category wise performance of all stores, since all stores I don't need to select here, but I already have done. If it is day, you can go take day from day 2, or if it's a week, you can take the whole week. So let's say I'm taking week 30. Then I can see the performance of week 30 by category. Okay, it can be